We are going to have a look through this Arduino Starter Kit. It's an electronics kit that contains the Arduino microcontroller board. We have the Arduino itself. Which is a microcontroller with a lot of inputs and outputs, which you can use by programming to interact with sensors and actuators. It comes with a few components. We've got a DC motor here. We've got a servo. Which you can connect things to and set a precise location, compared to the DC motor, which is designed to spin. This USB cable is just for the connection on the Arduino. We've got a liquid crystal display, an LCD, which once you give it the right program in the Arduino and connect it correctly, you can print messages or readings from the sensors on that. Here are the components. We've got lots of resistors here, which have various colors on them representing their resistance value. At the end, we've got some diodes. Those are transistors, some wires for connecting it. These are all different types of capacitors. LEDs, light emitting diodes of various colors. And a transistor of a different package, a higher power rating than the ones we were looking at before. We've got some integrated circuits, ICs here, with 16 legs on it, 16 pins. We have a piezo speaker. This will work as a microphone or a speaker, though it's a very basic one. Switches. That looks like a transistor, but it's actually a temperature sensor in the same kind of three-legged package as the transistors. This one is hard to see, but it's a light-dependent resistor, so a sensor for light. We've got a variable resistor that you can adjust as a dial, and more of the same bits and pieces by the looks of it. In here we have a solderless breadboard, which is a way of putting components in and connecting them to each other without actually having to solder. So we could connect those the LED and the resistor are connected by both being pushed into those holes next to each other. And we can use various jumper wires to connect between components as well. So once you've connected the various components up, you can connect this, and provided you've programmed it, it can read and write from and to the sensors and actuators. It comes with a projects book with 15 different projects you can build using the components that are in this kit. Alright, that's our look through the Arduino Starter Kit.